It's the first pediatric unit design of its kind in the province. Manitoba's first Smilezone was unveiled in Brandon today. CTV's Cody Carter has the details.
The ribbon is cut and the newly redesigned pediatric ward at the Brandon Regional Health Centre is now open. The Smilezone Foundation works to redesign waiting rooms, patient care rooms, and treatment rooms into smile zones with bright colors and unique designs in order to bring smiles to kids' faces. Smilezone co-founder Scott Backley says smile zones can have a big impact on the children and families in these wards.
For the parents, the grandparents, the siblings, and the staff. It's amazing how that changes the perspective of going into a hospital and what it means to everybody.
The Brandon Smile Zone was made possible by donations from the Greywall, Kuntz, and Spencer families. Prairie Mountain Health CEO Brian Schoonbert was on hand to voice his appreciation.
If it wasn't for families and individuals who contribute to all of our programs and services, they would not be what they are.
Jen Greywall spoke on behalf of the donor families who all have history with the hospital and says their return to Brandon is a homecoming of sorts.
Our father was a psychiatrist at the Brandon Mental Health Center and sadly passed away from cancer shortly after arriving to Brandon. Our mother worked as a nurse at Brandon General Hospital, and I know she would have been extremely proud of the way the nursing community worked tirelessly to get us through what has been an incredibly challenging past 2.5 years.
Previous patients on the children's ward also had the chance to see the renovated ward before the unveiling.
This ward is such an amazing place, full of some of the most amazing and kind people you will ever know. So having this grant for the ward is just such an amazing thing, and I know it's going to make so many other kids on the ward so happy.
Backley says establishing the first Smile Zone in Manitoba is a big step towards their goal of Smile Zones in pediatric wards nationwide.
We built 300 Smile Zones across Ontario. We just did some in Alberta. We've done some in Nova Scotia. And the fact that we're now in Manitoba is a great honor for us.
Cody Carter, CTV News, Brandon.